Guys, I got some stuff for you today. We are going to finish doing the valve cover on the S14. Get the fuel system all put together. Put the turbine outlet onto the car and the full exhaust back into the car, and get the boost controller going. And probably the fuel pressure regulator as well, because I don't have the fuel pressure regulator in right now. Well, I have the stock fuel pressure regulator right now, and I need to put in the aftermarket one. So without further ado, let's get started. So I haven't showed you guys yet, but I actually did end up getting the Greddy ProFec manual boost controller. Boop. Super excited to see this in here. Has a lot of wiring, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to run it. It has a lot of wiring, but the wiring isn't very long. So I'm a little bit worried about whether it's actually going to reach or not, but we'll figure that out. I'm not that worried about it. I think we'll be able to figure it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm kind of going to, first thing I'm going to do is kind of like mock everything to where I think it's going to go, it needs to go, and the engine bay, and see and make sure that all the lines will be able to run and make it. So far so good. I got the boost controller module. I'm not sure what it is. The name of it is. Line hooked up. I'm going to zip tie them here, kind of make it clean. End up probably mounting it up here. And the reason why I want to go so far up, which I might not even be able to, because the reason why I want to go so far up is just because of the exhaust manifold being right here. It's already going to have a lot of heat coming this way. I honestly would actually prefer it a little more over this way. I'd have to figure that out. But I have it running through this little hole over here, and then I think I'm going to, this is already connected on both sides to the different parts of the compressor housing and the wastegate. And I'm seeing just how much reach I have with this line, and it looks like it's perfect up to this little spot right here. And I believe the box is probably gonna fit perfectly. So let's see real quick. Just go and grab that. How crazy would it be if this bolt is actually the perfect size for that hole too? Let's see. Damn. So I got almost everything done. I got that bad boy hooked up. Got the line running back here. Cleaned it up real nice, running over here. I have that piece just kind of chilling right now. The air filter to the fuel pressure regulator. So now we're gonna wire in the main piece, the actual like computer and LCD display, and then we should be good. Should work. You already know just how much of a pain in the butt this thing is to take off. All the bolts are way down here. You're super constricted. There's like nothing you can do to make it really easy on yourself unless you go from the bottom. But honestly, sometimes going from the bottom is more of a pain than going from the top. If I had a lift, I'd probably be a little more like down to do that. Yep. So this is why this one had to come out. Look at that. I think I did a real good number on it on the trailer. Plus this is sand cast, so this is gonna be a lot stronger. So pretty. It also was missing one of the nuts under there, which is pretty common with that spot. It's one of the harder, it's really hard to get those torqued down really well if you don't put them on with the turbo out. And my little brother Alex Belsha, follow him on Instagram. His link's gonna be right here. And he actually swapped it out for me at the track in like less than 30 minutes. The guy is nuts. But we didn't have Loctite when we were out there, so that's probably why one of them backed out. Remind me to never do this while it's still in the car. Got Barb over there putting in the fuel pressure regulator. And Athena's over there making smooth feels. She's busy, don't bother her. Well, I pretty much got all of that turbine outlet into the car. I got like 1 or 2 nuts that I can't get to because the steering shaft is in the way, and then the transmission's in the way on one of them as well. So I'm gonna have to borrow somebody's short little wrench because I don't have a short wrench at the moment. But I would say it's a pretty productive day. We got the whole boost controller put in and ready to go. We got the fuel pressure regulator in and ready to go. And now we just gotta square away the exhaust and put the fuel pump back in and see how she goes. So, hey, I appreciate you guys. If you have any questions or you have any comments that might be able to help us out, let us know. And I'll see you guys this weekend. Peace out.